The ECOS Hub app is the new commission application for eCactus installers. It's available on the iOS Apple Store and Google Play Store. First, log into the ECOS app. If you don't have an account, please register using your email address. Select the correct data center, then enter your account and password. Now add a new site. The commissioning process consists of 4 steps. Only after transferring the site to the owner's ECOS app account can the commissioning be considered as complete. Step 1. Create a new site. Tap the plus icon to create. Fill in all the information needed to complete the site details. When choosing the country or region, please make sure to choose the same country as the site owner. Pop in the owner's email address or mobile number. This information will only be used for after-sales service. Step 2. Add the device. Review the guidance notes about the commissioning as they can help you to finish the job more smoothly. Allow access to the local network to add the device. The app needs local network and Bluetooth authorization. Also note that only 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi is supported. The device may not support 5 GHz, it depends on the model. Input the target Wi-Fi account and password. Before tapping the Confirm button, please check that the blue light on the Wi-Fi stick is flashing. If there's no light flashing, then reconnect the Wi-Fi module and try again after 10 seconds. Tap the Confirm button. The app will finish connecting the device process automatically. The app will need about 60 seconds to complete. Now you've successfully connected the device. Click OK to finish step 2. Step 3. Click on the Start Configuration button. The device will go through the checklist automatically. If any of the configurations do not load successfully, tap the refresh icon to reload. Make sure that the configuration is set safely before saving it. Step 4. Double-check the site information filled and make sure that all the information is correct. Also make sure that the whole site is ready to be transferred to the owner. After this, a QR code is generated and you'll need the owner's mobile phone and the ECOS app. Ask the owner to download the ECOS app on their mobile phone and finish the registration. Make sure they select the correct country and region. Log into the ECOS app using the owner's account and password. Tap on the Add Now button to find the QR code scanning function. Scan the QR code from your installer ECOS app and click Confirm. Now the owner can see the real-time status of their inverter and battery system. Once the site is transferred to the owner, the process in ECOS Hub will finish automatically. On your app home, the site will be listed for 72 hours to do the after-sales service. Remember, after 72 hours, the site will be removed from the ECOS Hub and only accessible from the owner's ECOS app. To regain operational permissions for the device, firstly you need the owner to obtain the device sharing QR code in the ECOS app and then send it to the installer as a screenshot. And you have about another 72 hours to faff around. So there you go. That's it. You're all done.